Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your math teacher. I am Shugufta Makbul. Please open this book of Oxford New Countdown, book 1. Please open page number 11 of this book. Today we have to compare which is bigger and which is a smaller object. Look at here. You can tell me. I am showing you this is mobile and this is toffee and this is candy. Which thing is bigger and which is smaller? You can say, look at the size. Check the size of this mobile and height of this mobile. After seeing, we can say this mobile is bigger than this candy. In each pair, color the smaller one blue and the bigger one red. Two objects are here. You are seeing different objects are here. After seeing, look at here. Here are two buckets. Buckets are here. Which is bigger and which is smaller? You can tell. Look at here. Check the size and height and look at there. Which is, we have to compare this one to this one and this one to this one. After seeing, we can say this is bigger and this is smaller. This bucket is bigger and this bucket is smaller. So we have to color the smaller one blue. We have to blue color in smaller and red color in bigger. So I am going to take blue color to fill this bucket because this is smaller. So you will have to fill with blue color like this way. Now I am going to fill this bigger bucket with red color. You will have to fill like this way. I am going to fill with red color. You will have to fill red color like this way. This is bigger and this is smaller like this way. Look at these tables. Which is bigger and which is smaller? This is smaller and this is bigger. Look at the shape and check the shape and size of these objects. This is smaller and this is bigger. So like this way you will have to color with this. With blue color you will have to color the smaller object blue and the bigger object red. After coloring in smaller object, we have to color in this bigger object. We will use red color. Look at here. After filling these tables, now look at here. This is picture of teddy bear. These pictures are of teddy bears. One is smaller and other is bigger. Which is smaller and which is bigger? This is smaller and this is bigger. Now we have to fill this teddy bear with blue color and we will have to fill this bigger bear with red color. Look at these. These are bottles. Which is bigger and which is smaller? This is bigger and this is smaller. This is bigger and this is smaller. So we have to fill this bottle, bigger bottle with red color, and we have to fill this smaller bottle with blue color. Next one. Wow. What are these? These are fish. We can see fish are here. This fish is bigger and this fish is smaller. This is bigger. Look at and check the size of this fish and check the size of this fish. Look at here. After seeing, we can say this is smaller fish and this is bigger fish. You will have to fill this smaller fish with blue color and bigger fish with red color. Next one. Cars are here. Two cars are here. You can check and tell me which is bigger and which is smaller. This car is bigger and this is smaller. We will have to fill this bigger car with red color and this smaller car with blue color. Now I am going to start coloring in bigger and smaller object. You are seeing bigger and smaller objects, so we will have to color according to instructions that are given here. Look at here, students. Our work is done. You can see coloring in smaller and bigger objects. Smaller and bigger objects are here. You can see coloring. This is blue color. Blue color is for smaller object and red is for bigger. Blue is smaller and red is for bigger. Blue is smaller and red is for bigger. Blue is smaller and red. Blue is for smaller and red is for bigger. You can check it again. Red is for bigger and blue is for smaller. Red is for bigger and blue is for smaller. Okay, students, you will have to complete this page like this way. You can check it again. You will have to complete this page like this way. I am going to tell you, we have to compare these two objects. We will have to compare, one is bigger and other is smaller. We will have to select one color for bigger and one color for smaller. We will use red color for bigger and we will use blue color for smaller objects. Okay, students, after watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me